Healing meditation. Together we have traveled in hyperspace, outer space, and inner space. Welcome now to your own personal and private self-space. Self-space is a deep place within your being. Self-space is where you recognize your true self. It is where you connect with your internal healing gifts, here and now, in this very moment. You recognize your renewed strength. You know that self-healing is taking place as you continue to allow the energy to flow. You are releasing any and all obstacles to your healing. You have brought yourself to this rare and precious, special place. As no two objects exist in the same space at the same time, nothing and no one will share your self-space with you. You have entered this sacred space empty. You have forgiven yourself, and you have forgiven others. Yes, it's all forgiven. This is a new day, a new time, right here, right now, a new moment, a new space, your self-space. You are releasing any and all attachments. You have let them go. You are allowing fear in all of its forms to dissipate, dissolve, and completely disappear into nothingness. You have watched it all evaporate. There is nothing left. There is only you, only here, only now. Right here, right now, you are all that exists. This is your own personal healing space. See now the glowing light of a candle in the dark. Focus your attention on only the light. Allow the candle to disappear, leaving only the beautiful, glowing light. Imagine now that you can actually see the stream of air filled with that glow of light, entering your nostrils as you breathe. As you inhale the light, watch it as it goes straight down your air passages, filling your lungs with gentle, healing light. See your lungs begin to glow with the healing light. With your next slow, deep breath, gently guide the healing glow to the middle of your chest, where your heart chakra is faithfully spinning. Thank you, heart, for diligently pumping day in and day out. Thank you. Inhale the glowing light and send it now to your kidneys. See your lower back release any pain. Let it go. Let it go. Breathe into the lower back, remembering that all fear and anxiety are truly gone. If you still experience pain, know that it is on its way out. If not today, maybe tomorrow, but you will be led to the answer to the question you have been asking. Yes, divine love and light are yours for the asking. Thank you. Breathing the glowing, gentle light in through the nose, allow it to go up into your head, gently filling all the curves and crevices of your brain with loving, healing energy. Allow it to flow into your cranial sacral fluid, and from there, out throughout your entire nervous system. Your nerves receive the healing light with joy. Yes. Thank you. Send the light of gratitude now to all of the visceral organs, to your pancreas. Thank you for working so hard to normalize my blood. Yes. Thank you. Sending light and love to the stomach. Thank you for receiving the food as it comes down. Yes. Thank you. See the glowing light now as it goes down into and all through the small intestine. Yes. Thank you for extracting nutrition from the food. Watch the light move its way down into your large intestine. This is where we sometimes hold on to things we really don't want. Here too, we are letting go. See the light as it sends the healing message from your heart. It's okay to let it all go. Yes. Thank you for eliminating all that can be harmful to me. Thank you, bladder, for assisting my kidneys and helping to eliminate waste from my blood. Thank you. Inhale the healing light into your gallbladder as it assists your liver with its many, many vital functions. Thank you to the gallbladder. Thank you, liver. Thank you for processing out all the anger that makes me not well. Thank you. Thank you so much for regenerating every day Receive the healing light. Breathe now healing light into your reproductive organs. Thank you for working with my hormones to keep me in balance. Yes, thank you. See the light now as it surrounds your knees and goes down your legs to your ankles and feet. Yes, bathe your knees, shins, ankles, and feet with the soft, glowing, healing light. Thank you so much for bearing my weight and carrying me wherever I choose to go. Thank you. Here, now, in the self-space that you have created, there is love, appreciation, and light.